Our next system of organizing modules is creating a single module to represent a single week that you might meet in class. This is kind of taking that one module per day up to that next level so that you can fit more within a module and not end up with 50 modules in a single semester, but still being able to track with by day. And so you can see here with this example, we have, for example, the week. You might even add in, and then we can do that right now, what week that is. So, for example, week one. Okay. And so we have the week as well as the date. Here we again use text headers. Here we're using the day of the week, Monday, Tuesday, and indenting like we did with the day of the week module. Now, the benefit of doing this again is that you have much fewer modules, but it makes it very easy for students to pinpoint where they are in. We learn throughout the week, and that's our natural break. Here we have only one single subject. This wouldn't be suggested in, say, an early elementary course where you're bringing in multiple subjects within a single course. But you can still do the methodology of only publishing what you are coming to at that time. So maybe I've left Tuesday and Wednesday unpublished until I actually get there. As well, you can continue to unpublish modules later on in the year if you're getting to 15, 16 more than you want to have on the module page. Now, these work best when you have live instruction, whether that's online, in person, or a hybrid. They don't work as well when it's a self-paced course because these are meant, again, to track with a certain period of time so that things can be adjusted. Students know exactly what I'm supposed to do and when. Cheers.